Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I am here, a PhD scholar. I am going to present a topic, root system. Root system. In most plants, the root system is a below ground structure that serves primarily to anchor the plant in the soil and take up water and minerals. Root may be less familiar than more visible flower, stem, leaves, but they do not less important to the plant. It is responsible for fixation and absorption of water. Without the root, the transportation system in many plants would cause to extinct. When a seed germinates, radicle is the first organ to outcome. It elongates to form primary or the tap root. Botany with YouTube is our channel. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel firstly. Characteristics of roots. They are non-green due to absence of chlorophyll, not divided into nodes and internodes, absence of leaf and buds, positively geotrophic because they grow towards gravity, positively hydrotrophic, grow towards water, negatively phototrophic means it's create negative effect towards the light, or it is grow away from the light. Types of root system. Root system are mainly of two types, taproot system and fibrous root system. Taproot system. It is the root system that develop from radicle and continuous as the primary root, which give off lateral roots. The primary roots provide very strong anchorage. They are able to reach very deep into the soil. It is the main root system of dicots. For example, China rose, neem and grams have this type of root system. You can observe here the primary root, tertiary root, secondary roots are present in taproot system. Taproot and dicots, you can observe here turnip, carrot are taproots. Fibrous root system. A cluster of cylinder fiber-like root arises from the base of the radicle and plumule, which constitute the fibrous root system. They are shallow, spread horizontally. Fibrous root system is the main root system of monocots. These are roots that develop from any part of the plant except the radicles. They may be aerial or underground. And example is maize, grasses and wheat. You can observe here fibrous root structure in diagram. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Share our channel, share our videos with your other friends, colleagues and researchers. Adventitious root. Adventitious root arise from an organ or other than root, usually a stem, sometimes a leaf. They are especially numerous on underground stem such as rhizome, corm, tuber and make it possible to vegetatively propagate. Many plants form stem or leaf cutting. Certain adventitious roots known as aerial root either pass for some distance through the air before reaching the soil or remain hanging in the air. Examples are maize, banana roots. In many epiphytic plants such as various plants have aerial roots. You can observe here the adventitious root arise from the rhizome. Region of roots. Root cap region, region of meristematic cells, region of elongation, region of maturation. Root cap region. It is a thimble-like structure produced by meristematic zone or protect the apex from harsh soil particles. As the root grow further down in the soil, root cap wear out but it is constantly renewed. In aquatic plant, root cap is like a loose thimble called root pocket. Region of meristematic cells. It is a small region of actively dividing cells called the apical meristem. It consists of dermatogen, outermost layer whose cell matured into root cap, peribulum, inner to dermatogen whose cells mature into cortex, plerome, central region whose cell mature to form stele. Region of elongation lies next to the meristematic region. The cells elongate and enlarge to make the root grow in length. Region of maturation. The cell mature and differentiate into various tissues, root hair, or you can say that permanent region which lie behind the root hair zone, and it's without hair. It produce lateral root, anchor the plant into soil and conduct water and minerals upward. Note: in maize, root tips discovered a central cup-like reservoir of inactive cells lying between the root cap and the active meristematic region called the quiescent center, and these cells become active whenever the previously active meristematic cells are damaged. You can observe here the structure of root hair, ground meristem, apical meristem, root cap, procambium, protoderm. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Like our channel, like our video, and if you have any question, you can ask us in comment section. And if you want to share your point of view, you can also discuss us in comment section. Importance of roots. Carrot, sugar beet, turnip, and some other roots specialized for the storage of carbohydrates. These compounds are stored over winter by the plant for use in the following growing season. Onion, garlic, potatoes, ginger grow underground but are not roots. Rather, they are stem tissues. Important terms: cortex. The root cortex is relatively soft tissue that occur between the epidermis and the internal vascular tissues. Functions: they help in storage and movement of water in vascular cylinders. Epidermis, the outermost and usually single layer of cell in the root, give rise to root hair. Meristem, a ground of cells whose primary function is cell division. Division result in one daughter cell that continue to function as meristem cell, one daughter cell that differentiate into a different cell types, mucigels, a polysaccharide produced by root that aids root penetration, inhibit desiccation, and increase absorption. Root also stimulate the growth of soil micro and macroorganisms, compact the soil, alter soil chemistry through their secretion, and add organic material upon their death. You can observe here inside view of root, xylem, phloem, root hair, cortex. Function of roots. Roots perform various functions that are necessary for the survival of plants. They help in anchoring, they help in absorption of mineral and waters, and they help in storage of food. They help in reproduction process, they help in vegetative propagation. They are important in ecological point of view. They help in transport. They help in nitrogen fixation. They help in modification the structure of plant and root. Aerial root and storage root. Aerial root grow above the ground, typically provide structural support. Storage root, taproot, and tuberous root are modified for food storage. Aerial roots are found in many different kind of plants. Thanks to visit our channel. Thanks for your concentration, for your attention. Good luck to all of you. Allah Hafiz.